channel. Today I'm going to be literally unboxing the new Allure beauty box for March. I just got this today. I came home from work and it was like sitting on my porch and staying with my BoxyCharm, so I thought I would jump into the Allure for this video. Not sure if I love this shirt or not. It's like this shirt, this jean shirt I got from like the Goodwill, but it's like really cute. I think I've never worn it. I've had it for probably like 3 years. So yeah, let's open this up. I literally have no idea what's in this box, so that's kind of exciting. First thing I see is the little booklet that they always have with all the products. There's a product on the outside and then the bag. And the bags for Allure are always like this style, just different colors. I've gotten red, black, and now I got white. So they usually don't have themes or anything for this box. Yeah, so let's just get into it. The first thing I see is this Juice Beauty Green Apple Brightening Gel Cleanser. Wait, that sounds so nice. Oh my god, it smells so yummy. It's a cleanser, so let me read a little bit about it. As I'm spoiling everything that I get. It's a cleanser. It's originally $28. It says this cleanser is brightening and it can quickly exfoliate your face, so your skin is dewier by the time you're done rinsing, which is awesome. Love dewy skin. I've been putting like highlighter like on my forehead, and I think I'm starting to look a little bit dewier. So I love that, and I'm excited to try that out. I love trying out new cleansers. So let's get into the bag. This was on the outside of the bag. It's just laying in the box. So let's see. Next we have this ALLURE Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. It looks like this. Let's open it up. Allure usually has a lot of skincare products, but ooh, it has like a glass bottle. It looks like this. No packaging on it, which is kind of odd. Oh, it's like a little roller. What is this? This looks like a perfume. Like it looks like a perfume bottle. I'm so confused. So this is what it is, like I've showed you. And here in the booklet is what it's supposed to look like, and look what I got. I'm so confused. I don't know what just happened, and why do all this stuff kind of happen to me every single time I get a box. I'm going to have to do research on this because I don't really know what's going on. Yeah, because it says directions, warm 1-2 pumps in the palm. Well, there's no pumps for this. So I don't know what this is, and so I don't know how that got messed up. But that was supposed to be the ALLURE Seriously Soothing Night Oil, and it wasn't. The next thing I got is the Anywhere Cream Multi-Stick. It's in the shade Grapefruit. It looks like this. Then it says grapefruit on the bottom. Let's open this up. I usually don't like multi-sticks, so I'm assuming it's going to be like a cream. Wow, it's like really nice packaging. It looks like this. Open it up, and then it has just like this product. So what this is that you can put it on your eyes, on your cheeks, on your lips, eyeshadow, literally anything. I don't usually do cream products, but this could be pretty on the lips. Let's read a little bit about it. So that last thing, by the way, was supposed to be $12.99 for 1 ounce. So it's kind of affordable. Wish I got the real thing. Anyways, this is $35, and yeah, it just says you can blend it onto your cheeks. It's a goldy peachy color. Yeah, I usually don't do cream products, but this is like such a pretty color. I'll just swatch it and see, like, you really have to build it up, which is nice. And then if you just kind of blend it out, like, look at that. That's actually like super pretty. Like, it's not as bright as it looks. So I might actually try that out. I've seen people do like full cream, like cream contour and bronzer and blush, and their makeup looks so much better than like a normal like powder product. So we'll see. Maybe I'll start getting into that. The next item here is it's from Belief, and it's called the True Cream Aqua Bomb. I have heard of this, actually. And Belief is a really good brand. So I'm thinking this is just some moisturizer. It says, increases your hydration level by 70%, and it's dermatologically tested. It's what it looks like. Can you see it? It's like it's all green. It smells like... Oh, what does that smell like? Oh, what's that smell like? So this is originally $38 you can get at Sephora. But everyone talks about this. It's from K. It's like a K-beauty brand, which is like Korean beauty, which are supposed to be like super good because they all have like beautiful skin over there. It's a gel-like formula, absorbs in seconds, gives hydration, it makes you look smooth and poreless. So yeah, and I guess the scent is lemongrass, and it is very soothing, it says. So that's item number 4, and I'm not complaining yet, except for that one item. We're doing good so far. Next item is a Mamondi Rose Water Toner. Looks like this. I feel like I got this in my last box, but I might just be thinking of something different. $23, and it's just a toner. So, and you know I love the rose scent. I literally have this. I got this in the last box. I think I remember it. Yeah, I've used it since I've gotten it, and I love the rose scent. I haven't used it enough to realize if there's a difference or not. I'm kind of working on my own toner right now, so I haven't really used this a lot, but it's supposed to soothe and moisturize. So once I've done my other toner, I will start using these, and if I love it, I have 2 now, which is great. Next, we have a Tartiste Quick Dry Liquid Lipstick. It's a lip paint in the shade OG. This is what it looks like. I only have one of these Tartiste lip paints. It's small, but oh my god, that is such a pretty color. I'll have to put it on. These are originally $20. You can get them at Sephora. So here it is. Really pretty nude. It kind of does have like the gray undertone, like the lavender gray undertone as it says, but it really is a pretty nude, and I heard these last a while, so yeah. And there's other things that you could have gotten in this. There's 4 more things that you could have gotten, so let me know what you guys get. Other items you could have got was the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment, which I wish I got. A microdermabrasion scrub, one of those hair ties that like looks like this, and you could have, or a Dr. Brandt microdermabrasion exfoliation product, and that's originally $79. So yeah. Oh, there's no more product. So the Tartiste lipstick was kind of my extra product, as you would say. So I also got this facial mask. It is by BioBell, and it's hydrates and nourishes with almond oil and vitamin E. It looks really pretty packaging. As you can see, the kind of theme of this whole thing is hydration. So we have this cleanser. It's supposed to hydrate and leave a dewy glow. Toner is supposed to moisturize and hydrate. This Belief is supposed to hydrate. This, we're not even going to talk about it. And this is just the cream product, which I'm obsessed with. And then, of course, the Tartiste lipstick. And it's already dried down, so I like it. And then this is also hydrating. So that is the end of this box. I have to say, that's a lot of products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 products this month. That's crazy. So I am actually really excited for this. I kind of depend on Allure to give me some skincare products, and those are always really expensive, so it's nice to kind of get these samples to try to test them out before I go spend some money on it, and usually I don't get anything like that at Sephora. So yes, very nice, and I'm so excited to test all this out for you guys and let you know how everything works out. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!